People say criminals are born, but people also say leaders are born. Now, let us not go into debate. Let us talk something which is basically on the ground reality. See, don't look at the slide first. First, try to understand. Now, leadership skills are basically components. They're basically components. Why they are components? Because they are into positioning executives to make thoughtful decisions about their organizations, correct with a correct mission, with a correct goal, and allocating resources to those directives. He is very clear, he or she is very clear in mind about the set of goals that he has already set for himself and for others. Therefore, I would not say leader is a born leader. He creates a leadership skills in and around him. But then what adds the valuable leadership skills, it includes the ability to delegate and inspire and communicate effectively. Now, see, everywhere soft skills is going to come, because see, when the leader tries to communicate with you, either he will be a directive leader or he will be a humanistic leader. But a great leader is a consumption of both. He directs, but directs with human qualities. And when he directs with human qualities, he becomes a great leader. Therefore, now let us go back to the slide. Leadership skill definition. Leadership skills are skills you are when organizing other people to reach a shared goal. Now you have, see, Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C, Mr. C, they all have a set pattern of goal. But within these four walls of the, there is one leader who is going to channelize all the goals to accumulate together and rise up against all the odds and find paving the way for qualities that enhances each and everyone's skills. For whom, for whom are we setting a goal? Either we set up a goal for ourselves, we set up a goals, or we set up our goals for others. A person, in a very common way, if you just ask me, Madam, aapke liye leader kaun hai? Who is your perfect leader? I say my perfect leader is who culminates both the aspects of skills in direct. Even in my weaknesses, I call him a leader. People are ought and bound to have weaknesses, but a leader is a person who channelizes those weaknesses and converts those weaknesses into strengths. I call him a leader. Leader cannot be only a person on directing and directing alone, because he has a set of goals for himself then. Therefore, the culmination of humanistic regime with directives is a great leader. Therefore, look at the slide. Leadership skills require you to motivate others. Just now what I told you. If I am demotivated, what do I do with the leader? I want my leader to motivate me into all spectrum of life in organization.
Madam, your voice is not audible. Ganguly ma'am,
But when? Ha!
your
Yes?
voice, in between your voice was not audible. Carry on.
Now? Now? Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, is it clear now? Is it
Breaking.
clear?
Clear,
Your
ma'am.
voice is
It's
breaking.
Is it clear?
your washed.
Is it clear now? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. अभी अभी आ रही है आवाज. It's clear.
ठीक है अभी ठीक है
Yes, ma'am. It's clear now. Ma'am, again, it's not audible.
Hello? It's audible? Is it audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's
Hello?
audible now.
Okay. So that was the first one. Now I'm coming to the part of the importance. Why should leadership skills be so very important in our lives? One is, being the effective leader, and the other is just being the leader. Now look at the first point. Effective leaders are essential to any organization. Without a leader, you cannot have an organization. You have to have a leader. But then there are three aspects to be a leader. One, a good leader. Second, a bad leader. And a third, a humanistic leader. Therefore, a leader also has three parameters, all the three parameters. So, when there is a culmination of all the three parameters, there is a good leadership. Now, look at the slide. What do? They can help build strong teams with a business and ensure projects, initiatives, working functions, and performing successfully. See, a leader cannot help you at every point of a time. He will give you the set target, and within that set target, you have to perform. But he has to take the initiation first. Therefore, the skills of a leader involves multiple interpersonal and communication skills. I did not explain every time what communication skills are all about. Without communicating, by sharing emotions, by sharing the authoritative style, by sharing the diktats, an organization cannot run. So we have to have leader at full effectiveness. Come to the second part. Most people have seen the results of both effective and ineffective leaders on the job. If there are effective leaders, there are ineffective leaders also. And the ineffective leaders disqualify the organization to run smoothly. Now look at the qualities of the good leader then. Good leaders increase employee engagement, support a positive environment, and help remove obstacles for their team. See, you cannot deny the fact that leader is also an inbuilt for a team. He's an inbuilt in the team. If there are 10 people working in a project, there'll be one leader who will channelize the goal. Therefore, good leadership is also contagious. Now, see, there's a very good word. What is contagious? Do you know what is contagious? Anyone? Hello?
Spreads easily, I guess.
What is contagious? Contagious disease. Have you heard of this? Contagious disease?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I've heard about this word. I think it means
It means contagious मतलब लगाव. एक से दूसरे में लगाव हो जाता है. It infects. Contagious is, it is inflicting. Agar if I find that the leader is so very good, I will automatically will be attracted towards his qualities. Therefore, it is a contagious disease of the employee. or the members of a team to contagiously attach himself or herself with a good leader. Therefore, the leadership skills here is a marvelous feat of the leader who is trying to channelize his employees. Look at the next word, inspiring colleagues to apply positive leadership that's in their own work. The leader's basic quality is to channelize your inbuilt quality, which is already there. Probably you don't know what quality is there. Sometimes, we become so nonchalant. We become so nonchalant as to find out, oh, I think I don't know about this quality, which was already there in me. But the leader is somehow or the other is going to try to find out the basic quality that resides in you, channelize it, throws his impact on you to try and bring the inspiration probably that you had within, probably you did not know. I think most of you have seen Tare Zameen Par. Did you see it? Have you seen the movie?
No, ma'am.
Hello.
I haven't seen.
तारे जमीन पर नहीं देखे हो?
Yes, ma'am. देखे हैं.
हाँ, so it signifies what? What does it signify? The hidden talent of the little child is being brought forth by his teacher. Similarly, this is also the case of a great leader who probably tries to find out your weaknesses, tries to find out your strengths, and to come up with a solution for your weaknesses, but also tries to bulldoze your strength into workforce. That is the importance of having leadership skills. Now, can you see this? Skills of a good leader? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, there are 3 points. What are the skills of a good leader then? Strategic thinking skills. See, without thinking, how can you become a leader? Without, the parents, without within thinking that where to put my child, in a better school, in an average school, in a vernacular medium school, in an elite school. There are strategies which starts forming in the mind of the parents once the child takes off the age of 5 or 4 or 3. So it's a strategic thinking. A leader has to think strategically for his organization. Now look at the slide. The most important skill of a leader needs what really distinguishes leaders from managers. Now we are entering into a very, very important, theory. Leader versus manager. A leader cannot be a manager and neither the manager cannot be a leader. They are both poles and poles apart. The manager who is able to think strategically, this means in simple terms, having an idea or vision of where you want to be and working to achieve that. A manager will channelize you to do the work, but a leader will not channelize you to do the work. He will stand rock solid behind your work when the manager has already assigned you the job, without even finding any faults while you are into the process of doing the job. Manager kya karta? Manager will like, no, you did this job. This is your part. You will have to finish this project by Friday. Okay, go, done. Finally, you couldn't do it. The manager, because he has been assigned from the leader, nahi iska kaam kara do. Manager goes and tells the leader, sir, ye to kaam nahi kiya. If he is a good leader, a strategic leader, he will think twice before he shows him the door. You quit from the organization. He will bring him, he will talk to him. Now, a leader is taking a humanistic approach. So when the leader is taking a humanistic approach, he is channelizing the weakness of the employee who could not do the job in the stipulated time. The manager here has done the job of a postman. लीडर हमको बोला है ये काम करने के लिए तुमको ये काम करना पड़ेगा, and he quits. But a leader takes a humanistic turn and he says, okay, I'll give you 2 more days to 2 days to finish the project. No issues. If you're having some problem, no issues. Therefore, he is a strategic thinker. Next comes planning and delivery skills. When do you deliver? If you are confident, then only you are going to deliver. What about delivering a speech? Some people cannot deliver a speech. Why? They are not confident. But a leader here is very, very confident about the workforce that is standing behind him. Planning, it is important to be personally organized and motivated as a leader. Personally, agar main disciplined nahi hu, if I am not planning for myself, what can I plan for others? As a leader, that means I am failing. Alongside strategic thinking, organizing, action planning are essentials for delivery of your vision and strategy. See, the thing is, in a management, what happens, there are so many tiers and tiers of people working in an organization. It is very difficult for a leader to come down to the level of an individual to try to understand what kind of a personality is Mr. A. But as far as personality traits are concerned, if he's a good leader, if he's an effective leader, he is certainly going to try to understand all the positive sides of Mr. A, and then he is going to start delivering the better part of his job to Mr. A, because he has already planned that isi bande se mera kaam hoga. Chalo, so let me utilize Mr. A to finalize the deal with another company. So I am extracting, as a leader, I have already planned for my success of the organization by utilizing Mr. A for the job that I will be assigning to. Therefore, I have planned and I'm also going to deliver, because I have planned to target Mr. A for the job he is going to do for my organization. Now, to people management skills. Now, without people, see, there are multiple people, multiples and tiers of people. But there are no leaders. Organization cannot run like that. Leaders need skills in working within and outside, within an organization and even outside. See, look at the line. Leaders therefore need skills in working with others on one-to-one and group basis. Here comes the major factor of team building. The leader also knows how to build up his team, or else the organization will crumple down like, clump of cards. Therefore, one-to-one, hand in hand, he has to go when he has already built up a team. Last time, many of these skills are also vital for managers. See, managers, as I told you, they are far and far apart from leader. Managers will do only the team job, energizing the team. But when we try to talk of skills, the employers, the managers, the leader, or the commandant, which we can say, they all go hand in hand. ये management का फंडा एक कुछ अलग ही है. It's just like a cycle with 2 wheels. It's a car with 4 wheels. एक चक्का नीचे गिरेगा तो automatically सामने का चक्का, it will pull down. It's going to have a piling effect. Similarly is the case of 4 wheels. One tire bursts, it will be very difficult for the other 3 tires to move the vehicle on. Therefore, it is called the people managing the skills together, not only with the manager, but also with the leader. Now, continuation. Is it visible? Is it visible? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's go to change management and innovation skills. Now, all of you know what innovation is all about. Innovation is creating new things. But then what is change management? See, before a job is given, I, as a human being, not as a leader, I, as a human being, must know whether this person can really do the job or he can't do the job. I am intelligent enough to understand, because I'm a strategic planner as a leader, I think I should understand the management skills or the management which is working under me. Therefore, look at the line. A leader needs to understand change management in order to lead an organization through the process. For example, now there's an example. For example, change management requires creation and communication of compelling vision. Now I'll enter into compelling vision. What is this compelling vision? Compelling means matlab kya? Jor. The leader will compel you to do the job even if you're sick. And as an employee, you will also compel yourself to do the job assigned to you by the leader because you love your leader, because you are contagiously attracted towards the leader. Chalo bhai, theek hai, mera fever hai, I'll take some tablets, but still I'm going to do this for my leader because the leader has asked me to do it. Because I am a contagious lover of this leader. So I'm going to do it. Next, look at this. Leadership to make it stick. If the organization is not to revert within a very short period. अगर मेरे पास time नहीं है, मेरे पास compulsion vision है, I'm going to compel the vision in such a way to bulldoze my employee because I have full confidence in my employees that they are going to do this job for me. Even if it means working 24/7, they will revert back to me with a good job. Everybody will work for me. That confidence the leader has. Therefore, this is perhaps one of the best skills that a leader can have, because he knows he can master, he can bulldoze his employees to do the job that has been assigned because he is confident that the people are going to do it. Now, I need not explain again and again what communication skills is all about. So now you're in MBA, I think you have had enough lessons of communication skills. Without a leader communicating, not pathetically, but humanistically, if he communicates, the job is half done. Anyway, since it is already there in the slide, let us go and read it. While communication skills are important for everyone, leaders and managers perhaps need them even more. Why? Because these skills are general interpersonal, one-to-one, not intra, always. It is always a one-to-one going. It is not specified. Not specific to leadership, but successful leaders tend to show high levels of skill when communicating. Dekho, isme communicating, it is not only for, work and work alone. He is also communicating his emotions. He is showering his emotions to you. He is also compelling you to do the job out of love. Therefore, he is communicating officially. He is also communicating unofficially. Because after all, both are contagious to each other. Now, persuasion and influencing. Persuasion means what? Keep on persuading. नहीं ये काम होना चाहिए, नहीं ये काम होना चाहिए. You're not, you're afflicted. तुम बोले नहीं सर ये काम नहीं मुझसे नहीं होगा. अरे कर दो यार. Okay sir, I'll try. The leader has persuaded you to finally into believing, perhaps when you thought that you could not have done this job. And then you salute the leader and you say, sir, आप अगर मुझे नहीं डांटते, आप अगर मुझे persuade नहीं करते, probably I could not have done this job. Therefore, it is influencing or personal persuasion. Yes. Now come to leadership skills. Is it clear? Can you see the leadership styles? How they function?
Ma'am.
Hello? Can you see the leadership styles of functioning? Okay. Coercive. What is coercive style of functioning? Bulldozing. It is authoritative. करना है तो करना है, सर मुझसे नहीं होगा, आई एम डिमांडिंग। सेकंड वन, सर प्लीज मुझसे नहीं होगा, you will have to quit after 4 days if you do not do this job. Yes sir, I will try. So what you did, he pressurized you into doing the job. Probably you were not very confident about doing it, so he is coerced. Pace setting, do as I do right now. See, this is very good, you know. This is, I think this is one of the best style of a leader. Pace setting. If I can do, why can't you? Chalo, let us go hand in hand. Let us do the job together. I think this is one of the best part style of a leader. Now, authoritative. Come with me. You have to come. तुमको करना पड़ेगा. You have to do it. Affiliative. People come first. Now this comes as a humanistic approach. I know my team is failing. You see, I think I want to give you an example. You know, I think 3 or 4 days back, there was a terrorist attack in Kashmir, and a colonel died, a major died. They're all officers. The officers lead the front as far as Indian Army is concerned. So for them, they die first. So for them, people must live. Therefore, a leader's style has to worship the employees who does the job for them. After all, without employees, organizations cannot run. Next, democratic. What do you think? This is also a very, very good style of functioning as far as leadership is concerned. Democratic. अच्छा चलो, अच्छा, I might be wrong, you know. आपको क्या लगता है? You know what? He is asking, seeking your permission. He is asking for an opinion from you. Remember one thing, contagious, he's a contagious leader. He is attracting you. Leader will always not bulldoze. नहीं करना है तो करना है. But a leader is more democratic when he accepts everybody's opinion and then he takes a decision. Coaching, try it and see it for yourself. He will teach you. If you can't do it, he will coach you. He will train you because he knows that you are a weakling in this particular sector. So when you are weakling in this particular sector, he will coach you. No issues. Chalo, karte hai na. Let's do it together. What's the harm? What's the big deal? Therefore, he will coach you. He will train you. Next. Is it visible? 5 rules. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shaping the future. Leader will always shape you. He will allow you to things happen, you know. Even if you're unable to do it, you will have to do it. Engage. Now, this is one of the main important crux of the rules of leadership. Engage today's talent. अरे भाई मेरे पास अगर employee, talented employee है, why not sharpen them more? When I sharpen them, I have already followed the rules and I'm following the rules to make my organization run. Build the next generation. Leader is getting old. No harm. No harm at all. But I have already built enough through coaching, through humanistic approach, I have already built up a generation of talents in the future. Invest in yourself. Now, this is one of the, you know, this is a very funny part. Investing in oneself. Why should I invest as a leader? I am investing. Paisa hum jama rahe hain, not paisa, but I am investing in the employees to, you know, mobilize my talented force. I am investing for myself. If I want my organization to run successfully, I must cater to the needs, desires, and also effectiveness of my employees. So I invest myself. मेरा पैसा बढ़ेगा, If I get good employees, मेरा तो खुद investment है ये. Now, this is this visible? The process of great leadership, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Look at the first one. Challenge the process. If a leader is not challenged, then he reduces himself to be a leader. I have to, being a leader, I have to accept the challenge of any unforeseen forces which makes to me believe that probably ये काम मुझसे नहीं होगा. But ठीक है, no issues. I take up the challenge. Next, inspire shared vision. You know, when a leader is not born, when a leader is there, when Dhirubhai Ambani was, he was kicked out of his home with a 50 rupees note in hand. He was inspired with a vision that, yes, I can structure myself into an Ambani group, which probably his father never visualized. But vision was already there with Dhirubhai Ambani. Therefore, he came out of his house, and here we have, as of today, an Ambani group. Successful running organization. To enable others to act. ये तो सबसे बड़ा process है. काम नहीं कर रहा है, but I'm forcing my colleague, forcing my employees to do the job, either by hook or crook, either by enforcing fear into them, or with love. I will enable others to act. And last, encourage the heart. हम ये पहले ही बोल दिए थे. I think n number of times I have told you, a leader is not a leader without a heart. अब heart मतलब ये नहीं कि सबके पास heart तो लगेगा, without heart का तो मरेगा ना आदमी. But this is not that heart which organ which I'm trying to talk about. I'm trying to talk about a heart which sees through the sales of the employees, his grievances, his pressures, his family upheavals. He sees it all. And when he sees it, he enacts upon it, and he goes to some extent by the emotions. After all, we are all a server, either to the spiritual side or whether to the organization. So somehow, the great leadership will always listen to an employee with his heart and with not his mind. And last, is it visible? Principle of leadership. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at the first one. Know yourself and seek self-improvement. See, if I'm a leader, I should go for a SWOT myself. I should do a SWOT myself. मेरे पे क्या weakness है? और अगर मेरे में ये weakness है, so what are the things that I should see to nurture the aspects of my weakness which takes a forefront for constructive attitude? तो वो तो self-improvement हो गया. It is a self-improving myself into believing that yes, I can do it, but here are my weaknesses. But when I see my employees looking, glaring, staring at me, कि sir क्या करे, madam क्या करे? Therefore, I must know myself to lead first. I must have enough parameters, enough confidence in me to improve myself first. अगर हम improve कर गए, तो मेरा employees तो improve करेगा ही. Gandhijian philosophy, practice and then preach. Okay. Technically proficient, ये तो हर organization में होता है. A leader has to be technically proficient. Seek responsibility. Why responsibility? Responsibility means seeking responsibility means हम अगर किसी काम हम दे देते हैं, I give him the work with full confidence that Mr. A is going to do the job absolutely perfectly. So I take it my responsibility, seeking responsibility from Mr. A to whom I have assigned the job. Take responsibility for yourself. See, the first bullet and this bullet, fourth bullet are synonymous. मैं खुद responsible हूँ. Whatever mistakes have been done in the organization, to some extent, I am also responsible. See, there are n kind of leaders, not sufficient leader. What he will do, he will try to blame his employees or the people who are working in the organization. But a good leader, a principled leader, will take the responsibility on his shoulders, and he will say, probably, somewhere down the line, I was wrong. So he takes the responsibility for himself. Make sound and timely decisions and setting an example. Decision अगर timely नहीं लिया तो क्या लिया? Everything will fall flat. Immediately a decision has to take. See, flip-flop decisions will do a massacre to the organization. English, stitch in time, saves time. Chota problem hai, intervene into the small problem and stitch it up before it becomes huge. Know your people and look out for their well-being. Kya bole? Heart. For that, you need a bigger heart. आप कैसे हो? You meet officially outside with your boss. If your boss just taps your shoulder and tells you, so, how was the day? Very good, sir. And your heart is touched. So you are also trying to think about the employees who are also doing enormous job for your organization. Keep your workers informed. Yes, information is a must. अगर कोई एक लीडर कोई काम देता है, the information should not be mismanaged. Mr. A is having some information, Mr. B is having some, Mr. D, E, F, G. No, they are having all kinds of information for a particular job. Too many cook will spoil the broth. Yahi hoga. So information must be adaptable to one and all. Develop a sense of responsibility in your workers. हाँ, ये तो बहुत बड़ा काम है. The responsible people will only give responsibility to responsible workers. I cannot give, being a responsible person, I cannot give a responsibility to an irresponsible man. I know ये job वो कर ही नहीं पाएगा, but फिर भी हम उसको दिए जा रहे हैं. So, I have to develop as a leader a sense of responsibility and also create a sense of responsibility to the workers working for me. And last, ensure that tasks are understood, supervised and accomplished. Accomplishment तो खैर छोड़ो, last में आता है. पहला चीज, when I'm making a cake, suppose I'm making a cake for the first time. First, I must understand what are the ingredients which should be used for the cake. Rather than philosophizing, अरे चीनी डाल दो, essence डाल दो, मैदा डाल दो, चीनी डाल दो, and अंडा डाल दो, the cake is ready. This is only half-baked truth. We have not understood the practical side of making a cake. Organization is also like that. We must first understand the tasks that I'm giving as a leader to my worker. Now supervision comes. Yes, supervision कौन करेगा? Managers will supervise. The supervisors will supervise, not the leader. Leader का वो काम नहीं है. He has already designed a model for work and he has already given it to the managers to supervise it. And last, leader सबसे last में देखता है कि वो काम हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है. Whether the work has been done properly or it has not been done properly. Whether it has been accomplished, whether it has been finished and finished in toto. Therefore, the quality of the leaders is not, it is not in, finite. It is infinite. There are tiers and tiers of qualities which can vouchsafe for being a leader, a good leader, and an effective leader. So, is it clear? Hello? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
और कुछ क्वेश्चन है? 2 मिनट है शायद.
No, ma'am. Everything is clear.
Everything is clear? कुछ पूछ सकते. It's very easy. ये थोड़ा सा anything. Ask anything if you feel like. We still have
Ma'am,
2 minutes to go. हाँ बोलो.
the thing that you said, who is a
हाँ
leader for you? You answered the question. Can you
हाँ.
please explain it to me once again? Who is a leader for you?
For me,
Yes, ma'am.
there are two aspects. For me, there are two aspects. For me, a leader is who understands me through thick and thin. He understands my strengths, but he also understands my weakness. That's the first aspect. And
Okay.
second, for me, a leader is if he's understood my weakness, he is not taking a negative attitude towards it. He will coach me, he will direct me to shed my weakness. Him I call as a leader. He has to have a mind, but along having an intelligent mind, he should also have a heart. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, one more question is there.
Yes.
Uh, like you said that a manager cannot be a leader every time.
Hmm.
So can
Manager,
we call
manager, yes, manager cannot be a leader. He's just doing the job as a supervisor. वो तुमको lead नहीं करेगा, वो supervise करेगा. Manager is coming directly under a leader. So what manager will do, he will just start supervising. नहीं नहीं ये कर लो, वो कर लो, ऐसा करना है. He will just supervise. He will direct, but he will not intervene in your job. वो खाली सुपरवाइज करेगा, वो देखेगा कि तुम्हारा काम ठीक से हुआ है कि नहीं, and that's it. His part of the job as a manager has been done, has been accomplished. उसका beyond वो नहीं जाएगा. Is it
So,
clear?
ma'am, what do we call? Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, what can we call Mr. Narayan Murthy? Is he a leader or
No, no.
so?
I would call Narayan Murthy a leader, less of a supervisor. Because in fact, Narayan Murthy was the only person in a private company, he started having the concept of an exit interview. He was the first person to have started. Other than having exit interview in the foreign land, I'm not bothered about the foreign countries. I'm bothered about my country.
Yes, ma'am.
He was the first person who started the concept of exit interview. When you go for a job, you always sit for an interview, right?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
what is this exit interview? Please, can
When
you
you're
tell
leaving,
me? Yes.
when you're
Can
leaving
you
the
please
job
tell
in the
me
last,
why? Yes. Why are you leaving the job? Can I know the
so
reason? Have the manager asked you to leave? Have the manager abused you? This is the concept where heart sets in. And I think Mr. Narayan Murthy, along with his wife Sudha Murthy, surpasses as a leader. ठीक है?
yes, ma'am.
और कोई
Ma'am,
क्वेश्चन?
excuse me,
अब तो
ma'am.
टाइम हो ही गया है. हाँ बोल.
Ma'am, I want to ask some question. Ma'am, does this mean leader is a visionary while a supervisor looks only at the current situation?
Manager only is in the short channelizes short goals. मानो एक मैनेजर तुमको एक तो काम दे दिया, अरे भाई एक प्रोजेक्ट है, छोटा सा प्रोजेक्ट है, ये प्रोजेक्ट तुम फील कर देना, थोड़ा सा फील्ड में चले जाना, and you come back to me, today is Monday, I hope you to complete the file by Friday and you give me the results. वो डायरेक्ट रिजल्ट मांगेगा. लीडर तुमसे डायरेक्ट रिजल्ट नहीं मांगेगा. लीडर, बेटर लीडर, बेस्ट लीडर, ही इज गोइंग टू आस्क यू, बेटा ये काम किस लिए, ये पोर्शन जो 35% जो तुम कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाए हो, दिस 35% ऑफ द जॉब व्हिच यू आर अनेबल टू कंप्लीट, व्हाट आर द रीजंस बिहाइंड. मैनेजर पूछेगा अरे नहीं हुआ सर, ये काम नहीं कर पाया. लीडर क्या करेगा? अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है, ओके फाइन, आई विल मीट हिम आफ्टर 12 o'clock. He meets him and he genuinely gets intervenes into that 35% of the job which he has left unaccomplished. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? Yeah.
Ma'am, then what about those, ma'am, like in a team, if somebody leads or the co-workers help each other, ma'am, then we can say that they are having leadership quality or they are leader of that group.
अगर एक टीम वर्क हो रहा है, suppose 5 people have joined to finish a project. In that 5 team group, one will be assigned for a higher responsibility. A, B, C, D, E are working. But A is the supervisor who will lead the forefront of the other 4. So, in a snippet, in a short form, in a short distance, in a short profile, Mr. A becomes the leader then. But अगर काम complete हो जाता है from A to A, B, C, D, E, A is going to give the project to the leader and he will say, sir, 5 हम लोग 5 ये कर पाए हैं. The leader is happy. The team leader is also happy. Why? Because leader, you cannot expect Prime Minister Modi for Swachh Bharat to come and clean your house if I'm keeping my house dirty, right? So the same thing goes as far as team leader is concerned, and a leader, there is only one leader, there is only one commandant. Therefore, there are variations of doing the job. अगर छोटा सा टीम है तो छोटा सा टीम में भी एक लीडर जरूर रहेगा, but smaller in size of the greater leader. Clear?
Ma'am.
बाबा 1 घंटा हो गया, रुकना.
हम भी आ गए मैडम, गुड मॉर्निंग.
कौन है जी?
मिनानी सर.
मिठानी.
अच्छा चलो. अच्छा, अरे हम तो थोड़ा सा ओवरशूट कर गए.